open the door. Yes. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Please stop.
So it has been raining for the last 5 days, and today is the only or the first day that it has not rained the entire day. But the clouds are getting warmed up, I guess. I don't know how will the flight take off, but I am a little tensed. But let's see how it goes. It's like almost 6 o'clock now. This is probably the last time or the last evening that I'm spending here. Looking forward to a great journey ahead. Let's see what's in store. So we are now leaving for the airport, and my sister has no idea that I am coming to meet her, and so mom and dad has helped me to plan it. So they are going with me to the airport. So see you on the other side.
হ্যাঁ মোমো ভালো থাকিস, ববি যাচ্ছে, তুই সারপ্রাইজড হবি। কিছু জিনিস পাঠিয়েছি, বেশি পাঠাতে পারিনি। ভালো থাকিস, সাবধানে থাকিস, পরে কথা হবে।
টাটা করে দাও।
টাটা।
So we have entered here, and you can see this is the rapid PCR test line. There has been a shift change, so there has been nobody on the counters for the last 20 minutes. You can see people standing here. Nobody is here to attend them. So you need to enter, show your documents there. The documents will get verified, then come here for the rapid PCR test, pay 4,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees for the rapid PCR, and then go that side, and then your test will happen. Then you have to wait here at this section, and then once the report comes, then you can go that side for the check-in. So all the passengers that you are seeing right now are for the same flight. That is Fly Dubai, the same flight that I am traveling. So there's a staff now calling somebody maybe for the reports. So that's how the reports are being called and given. I don't know when my turn will come. I'm already a bit late because there are people who have come here at 7 o'clock, 7:30, and it's now 10:20. So I'm pretty late. So let's see. It's like 10 minutes to 11. I finally completed the documentation and paid 4,000 bucks, and we are now waiting for the RT-PCR test. This is another line, and let's see when it gets over, and then another 45 minutes to wait for the results. It's gonna be a long night. Just done with the RT-PCR test. It's so uneasing. It's so uneasing, but finally done with it. So it's almost 11:40 now. Just got the negative report in hand, and it's time to go for check-in. So let's see how quickly this happens. So finally got my boarding pass, and I am all finally set to board the plane. It has been like almost 3 hours now for the process, and I remember the first time I went there, it took me around 45 minutes. Now things have changed, the world has changed, and there's a lot more things going on. So I understand there can be problems, but there should not be so many problems. But one more thing I wanted to share that I'll show you just now. I don't know if this is because of the COVID situation and all. There are no stalls. There are no stalls at all. There were huge stalls here. There was a cafeteria. The cafeteria was actually on that side. There is no cafeteria now. I don't know if it's for the night shift or something else, but I have even traveled in the night shift, but I don't know what has happened. Does nobody travel anymore? And there's a duty free, but I think it's closed now. It's closed. So I don't know why it's closed. Maybe there are no flights coming in, but I'm not sure of what is going on exactly. So there are very few options that you will get to eat, and that's about it here. These are some of the little stalls you can find here, but nothing apart from this. As you can see, here is a small, if you want to call it lounge, you can call it, but I don't think it's okay to call it lounge. And there is just one stall there, idli.com or something, that is open, and everything else is closed. Everything, literally everything. Maybe because it's night. It's exactly 12:35. I think boarding will start from around 1:30. So there is a solid 1 hour of wait, and I'll show you what I'm doing right now. So this is what I have been doing, and this is what I have downloaded for myself for the flight. It's already looking interesting. So let's see how it goes. So I just calculated I am traveling 4,000 kilometers to meet my Didi, and yes, life is content, and journey till now has been very exciting, but with a lot of hurdles. There has been so many things, so many planning going on, and it was so sudden. It was so sudden that I planned it one day, and next day I knew that I was traveling. And the thing is that I was very skeptical about this, about how it will go and all, and I still do not know how things will go after I land there, because there are again a set of formalities. But I hope, fingers crossed, I hope everything is fine. Sweetheart Satvik and my little sweetheart whom I have not met, Ojasvi. So I am very excited to meet them, and I am just waiting for their reaction. I don't know how they will react and all, but that is the only you may say that is the only reason why I am traveling so much and taking up so much of hassle. So I am sure that this journey has just begun. There's a lot more to. The night is long. Okay, see ya. what I do when the plane is absolutely empty. It looks beautiful, and that is when I leave. So finally we are here in Dubai, and just waiting for one luggage that has not come yet. You can see it's a huge conveyor belt, so it will take time. I took some time to stay and do the processes very slowly so that I can get here and get the baggage, but there are 2 flights that have arrived here. It will take some time. Okay, there were a lot of steps. I'll explain all these things later, but there was another PCR test done here. That is the most immediate additional step that has been added. Nothing else. That sort of everything was very smooth. The issue is that this is the first time I have come into a different terminal. This is terminal number 2, and I have never been here, so I don't know how much I can cover for the duty-free area. But let's see. As you can see, somebody has pulled my luggage and kept it there, and I am waiting here. That's my suitcase. Chalo, let's grab it and we are good to go. Now the issue is that my hotel check-in time is a lot later in the day, and I have not many things to do because I have a lot of luggage, and as this is terminal 2, this duty free is also not that much used. There are, I think, some few handful number of shops, so I'm just strolling around and looking and admiring these beautiful bottles. Look at this Roberto Cavalli one. Oh, this is awesome. I mean, if I was not a drinker, I would have just bought these bottles to collect. Just look at this bottle. Just look at this. I mean, vodka is the worst thing to have. I don't know. I mean, just vodka. But these bottles are like the best. There is some decent collection. Not bad. But it's not like Terminal 3. No way close. I wish I could have shown you that, but hopefully soon. This is how the entire shop. Oh wow. And these are super ones. Someday we'll have this. Yeah, because this is affordable, still affordable, but this is not. This is something else. Oh my god. So just want to tell you that it's now currently 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and it's way too early to even enter the city because half of the things are closed, and even my hotel. I was thinking that we will land around 6 o'clock. It will take 1 hour, but happened so quickly that I don't know what to do now. Some Indian money that I will exchange now. And this is one more shop. So exactly there are 2 shops here in duty free. That's not exactly what I was expecting, but this is Terminal 2 where a variety of flights land, not like Terminal 3 where only Emirates land. Got this one for Didi. This smells amazing. Never heard of it before, so let's see if she likes it or not. Because The other ones that I saw there are not something I can afford right now, but let's see later on. This is a section that people aspire for. I mean, just look at these packaging. And look at this bottle. What on earth is this? It's so beautiful. But I think I'm gonna go with this IPA experiment. What I'm taking for my Jiju Andy. I have read about it, but hardly in Kolkata you'll get a chance to get these. So let's see how it tastes. So shopping and all is over. I hope they like their presents. It's the kids that I have not got something special, but we'll do something about it later. And going outside the airport now. It's still very early in the morning. Let's see. Let's take a cab and go towards the hotel. So finally it's time to go outside. And it's already so hot in here. It's already so humid. Let's see. So this airport is not connected by any metro and all, so you have to take a cab. But I'm still way too early to my hotel. I have to keep the stuff there. Let's see what happens. हाँ सर जी 2 साल बाद आ रहे हैं. कोरोना ने आने नहीं दिया, क्या करें. There has been a mess up. The mess up is that my hotel check-in time is at 2 o'clock. And I knew that, but 2 p.m. I knew that, but I thought that they will let me enter early, but they are not because all the rooms are packed. So I thought, let's do something better than waiting in the lounge. So I came here. Yes, I am actually at the Burj Khalifa. I have not slept for more than, I think, 36 hours now. But I thought this is worth it. February 2019, I came here last and thought I will never visit this place again. And for the last 2 years, I have been wondering when will I come here again. So here I am again. this may sound a little awkward, but I'm coming from a city which has been raining for the last 7 days, and currently I am missing that because here it's so hot. It's so hot. Like, people have come here wearing designer clothes and all. I have come here wearing a $400 t-shirt which I've been wearing for the last I don't know. See, this is another hotel here, and nobody bothers to come this side. People come from that side, watch the Burj Khalifa and take photos and go. But look how beautiful this place is. I just had my lunch, and I'm going off to take a shower, and then I leave to meet Dee. And I've done some setup that mom is going to call, so be there so that they don't leave and go somewhere else. So this is basically the room. It's pretty decent and pretty big for one person, and I liked it. It's very cozy and it's very spacious, and the best thing I liked about this room is the washroom. There's nothing like a neat, clean and super notch washroom. I just loved it. I'm gonna take a hot bath, and then, though it's pretty hot outside, but I'm gonna take a nice bath and then get it go. So see you then. Finally, I am ready to complete the journey, and it will take around 40 minutes from here to my Dee's house. So just one clarification, that you might be wondering that why I did not go directly from the airport to Dee's house, because as you know that it's the COVID situation, and I did not wanted, as I have traveled a lot, I did not wanted to wear the same clothes and go, because there are kids and also Dee and Jiju are there. So I wanted to freshen up, get myself sanitized and then go. And then the hotel episode came up, so everything was just planned and I had to go in this time. So I am starting right now. I'll keep you updated what happens next. And all, because I was so tired. So this is the lounge area, and that is the area for the lifts and all. This is a very comfy place that you can come. A very recommended hotel. The only problem is that the Wi-Fi doesn't work properly. Otherwise, everything is fine. So luck is currently going on our side, as I just came out to take a cab and I saw this bus that goes directly to Dee's house right in front. To talk about a bit of history, I have been taking this bus for 4 years and never I have got this on time. So today's luck was on my side, so it's great. So this is actually, as you can understand, this is a double-decker bus. So I'm sitting on the first floor. In a few moments I am going to reach Dee's place, and I am so excited to see them and see their reaction. It still feels surreal that I am here and how quickly all this has happened. So let's go. Madam is there?
Madam,
Call.
you want to do what?
Call one, madam. And finally the day ends with none other than my bro Mustaq. And we are having this dinner after 2.5 years. So without much ado, let's eat. Hello and good morning. Finally, the act is over. It was over yesterday, and I was so tired when I came back that I just crashed, and I could not finish recording the end. But I'm so glad that it all worked out fine. Yes, there were some hurdles and all, but I never knew that in total everything would go so fine. So the reactions meant it all, and that was all worth it. All the lies and that I made mom tell and I told, and even I involved some of my friends. But yes, at the end of the day, it's all worth it. So there's a lot on the plate, and there's a lot of things to do. So please keep checking. And thank you so much for watching. If you have your loved ones or anybody whom you want to surprise, you can take this idea. This is not a new idea, obviously not a new idea, but yes, it's very hard to execute these in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle of travel restrictions, in the middle of so many security and protocols. It's a little difficult to execute, but yes, again, at the end of the day, it's all worth it. So thank you once again for watching the entire video. If you are still here, have a great day and make somebody happy or surprise somebody. That's it from me now. I'll see you later. Bye.